Hello guys, back to my channel Shankar Search Spoken English. According to the topics, frustration to the young generation for job seeking, I will discuss it for the favor of the employees. Those are also interested for job seeking. Okay, thank you everybody and good noon. I wish you good days. Now, first one, let's enjoy my video and podcast of high unpayment rates. Yeah, yes, this is high unpayment rates. Okay, this schedule also remarks to the young generation that those are also interested for doing any activities. They do not get the high payment rates. Okay, though they also achieve their high qualification in our country in accordance with the demand of our country, though they also are most qualified, but they are ill paid. Okay, if we discuss the point high unpayment rates, okay, many of the educated personages in this world, like in Bangladesh, as a country, the Bengalis also are unpayment rates. That means the they also get or draw very small amount of money by means of getting any job. Okay, and the job market in our country are also ill paid. Okay, so insufficient. So the employers or the educated or educated persons are not enforce their skill to ensure these jobs. So, as high unpayment rates as this, they also decays and change their tendency to change the jobs day by day. Okay, we see. Okay, my dear viewers, we have to go to the next number two, skill mismatch. Yes, this is very crucial part of our young generation. Mismatch skill. You know, today's world is full of skilled person. Okay, if you see through the illustration like the USA, then you can Australia, then you can see many of these skilled persons. If we see any of the advertisement when they recruit to our South Asian people to their country, they demand for the skilled worker, skilled employment. Okay, but in our country like Bangladesh or South Asian countries like Bangladesh, we are not suitable skill. So skill mismatch. For mismatching of skill, the young generation also get ill paid. Okay, ill paid. But beside this, we can see the another forecast also like this. Suppose one graduate, a commerce graduate student, get the job of a social worker. This is imagined and it looks odd because the social worker activity is also related to the social welfare students, social sciences students after passing or after completing graduation honors or master's level from sociology or social science. Then a student can get any of the opportunity for the social welfare program. But what we see a commerce graduate student get to involve there for getting the job. Why? This is mismatching. Okay, and English honors or masters students get the another job like accountant. What is this? This is skill mismatch. We have to we have to close this chapter. Okay, mismatching chapter we have to close. But how? So we have to make sure to make skills to our young generation. You understand? Now number three, we have to go to the another topics, limited job opportunities. This is also because a significant part of our model is limited job opportunities. Limited job opportunities. That means the candidate, those are also interested to get the job. They also see the limited job opportunity, and limited within limited job opportunity, they cannot do the sufficient or their target job. Okay, their seats are very much limited. They cannot enforce themselves to get any vast space in job market. So because of the limited job opportunities, they also degrades day by day. Okay, so it's must to ensure their job opportunities a vast market. Okay, so that the young generation can apply their the spots or the places to ensure their job. Okay, my dear viewers, we can go through the discuss. We can tell you about this limited job opportunities very stops or signifies to our lifestyle. It can change our life. So limited job. Suppose only one post. I see yesterday like the 2nd December in 2024. I see a job circular Save the Child, Save the Children. This within this program only one post recommended many of the candidates. This very bad. Okay, we demand also that country, whereas many of the job opportunities will be available for the many of the persons. We see or desire the same thing. But here we see the only limited job opportunities. You can see any of the admission test, any of the competition market, we can see limited job opportunities. That's not right. So the young generation feel frustration. Sorry, my dear viewers, I have got cold. Number 4 today, corruption and nepotism. You understand, corruption and nepotism is another part of our day-to-day life. We are going to destroy day by day by means of attachment with the corruption and nepotism in our society, because if it is one of the major part of our country. If we see any of the government who rule over the country in Bangladesh, after a few months or a year, he becomes his employers become corrupted, and the political parties leader. You can see many of the political parties in our country. They also enforce their relatives, friends to involve their suitable jobs, the high position job, and the young generation or the general people also degrades their merit and lag behind day by day. This is one of the major script of corruption and nepotism. Okay, my dear viewers, please. So we have to stop it by anyhow. Number 5, we can see number 5, low wages and poor working condition. Low wages and poor working condition is, we can see, low wages. That means if we work hard, okay, if we desire to get more benefit, what is see the another picture in our country. In Bangladesh, if you work hard, you will not pay very large amount. Why? Because here the region, here low wages, whereas the wages are very low and limited, only a short bit distant places to our country. are a huge amount, but many of the places or in job sectors we see the low wages. Suppose if you see the garment sectors, the workers are ill paid, they also get low wages and poor working condition. They cannot transfer it to their lifestyle, they cannot change their lifestyle, they cannot ensure their lifestyle for the working conditions. It is seen also in the periphery area or the rural area activities as well as any of the city areas. You can see low wages and poor working condition. If we attach with the job, that means in job market, if we become an employee to get involved in any of the job, that the authority will ensure make you ensure to get it paid very small wages. Okay, suppose what you do, you must involve. So gradually you are going to be poor. So because within small wages or low wages, you cannot change your status, your lifestyle. You cannot take care to your children, and let alone the question of a bread and butter life. Okay, that's good. But here, low wages and poor working condition, within the two situation, the frustration rising day by day. The young generation frustration are increasing day by day. It's very miserable condition to our country in Bangladesh. Now, number six, if you see the number 6 point, over dependence, over dependence of government job. Number 6 point, remark, my dear viewers, please follow me. Over independence, not independence, over dependence of government job. Many of the young generation of our country depends to the government job. Why? Because we know that government job is secured, like Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, any of the South Asian countries, we can see the government job is very much sophisticated and in relaxed job, because here the employers do not dare to give up their job, because their job is permanent here, and so they also make corruption day by day. Okay, they increase money, they can take money to make to ensure the another job. Okay, but here is no risk to their lifestyle. We know that very well. Okay, the authority also knows about this. So I think my question is here, over dependence of government job. Here the young generation also depend to the government jobs, because they feel they are secure. Okay, and otherwise, if we see the another picture, the non-government job or any of the private job, what we see? We see this is private job is high paid. Okay, though it is high paid, or in spite of being high paid, high amount of payment, the the young generation do not desire to get this job, because they are not government job, they are not satisfying. Okay, in government job they can also get a high amount of salary. After their LPR, they also get at times a large amount of money or use money. Hmm. But it is the used money is not seen non-government and private job. So the students are not interested for doing their act like the getting the good job, and so they also over dependence of government job day by day. Now number 7, impact of automation. You know, my dear audience, this is impact of automation. Within this, uh, the young generation of our country also impact this, they also impact the another things. This a large amount of people. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, number 7, impact of automation. মানে স্বয়ংক্রিয়তার প্রভাব. Okay, we see the young generation also get these topics used. They also generate automatically. Suppose they provide any of the production, any of the production sector. Okay, they are very much interested to grow their business in automation. Okay, like the production and they would like to produce something in an automatically. So this the impact, their thoughts are also attached with this impact. Okay, so and within the frustration, they never think of the another job, and they also impact of automation. Okay, now the number 8, you can see 8, mental health challenge. You know this mental health challenge. Yes, the young generation of our country are job seeking for the mental health challenge. This is a significant part and the topics about mental health challenge. What is it? Mentally a young generation or a young personnel or a young job seeker, okay, they feel boring because they have no job. They are ransacking job elsewhere to the base and base mate and anywhere, and mental health challenges for getting a good job. Okay, they also feel this struggle. They also lag behind mentally. They also broke down their health for overthinking about this. So within this challenge, right, they can assure themselves to get a suitable job. But here you see, this is the another frustration part of the young generation. So I can say the mental health challenge. Brain drain, this is the other part. Brain drain is a very common term to our country. Suppose a skilled, meritorious or talented students after passing the graduation or from MBBS university or private university, he can go abroad teaching. Why? Here they are married, they are skilled, they are meritorious, and the USA, Australia, Canada, China, and India, as well as the rich countries or European or developed countries, they also they also send the message of scholarship to the university for staying there to learn some skills, and they also moderate the person or the students to achieve MS or MBBS or the overqualification or their professional development. They also ensure the young generation to go abroad. So here the brain also the Bangladeshi married also get corrupted to go to the another countries. Why? Because though a Bangladeshi born in Bangladesh, he cannot utilize his brain in our country for production. Okay? The developed countries also make them ensure to what? You know, understand? They also make sure to establish their merit and involve any scientifically ICT, security, any of the suppose Tripoli, CSC, any of the computer sections, any of the science and technology, suppose NASA, any of the high demandable position, any scientist, many of the rich posters also they provide their merit. The young generation go there for establishing their career by means of helping the scholarship. They also like to go abroad for relaxing their life. But here we see the frustration to the young generation is never ending in our country because the political institution in our country are getting more rise and rise. Okay, more rising because the political institution make us destroy for the stability. Okay, here this is the current position in our country. Okay, now the next one, how can we make solution? Okay, how can you make them solve? This is the reforming education solution to the address the issue. Today's podcast, those are not subscribed, please go for subscription to my channel and view it. Share this video with your friends and your mobile phone. Okay, thank you dear viewers. Solution to address the issue. How can we make it solution? What is the issue? How can we address them? First of all, reforming education. We have to reform our education system. We have to reform. That means we have to reform our education system. Suppose in our lifetime, when we studied in school, then we were in theoretical batch in 1988. Whereas we learned many things. But nowadays the young generation come from the MCQ group and they are creative, citizenship. Okay, but here we see the difference between us and there is it will be seen to my next video. Wait and see. But here the question: we have to reform our education. The young generation do not like to keep their time on the table for study. They also attach with the mobile phone in gaming and the another TikTok, another program, but they are feel very short time they also spend in education. How can we generate to them to reform in education? Only the education specialist will be thought about this. Okay, this is not my chapter to discuss, but my intention to say for the young generation, how can we reach the goal of success? How can you make them ensure for reforming education? This is my thought. I also think about this. Always thinking. Now, this is the another step. If we reform our education to ensure them quality education for quality teachers, then we can save our young generation. Number two, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship support. You know entrepreneurship Dukta. This is entrepreneurship support. Okay, we have to support the entrepreneurship. Those also Dukta jara ache Bangladeshe. They also get support to them. Okay. Number three, transparency in recruitment. Okay, when we also recruit them, this transparency in recruitment is also another thing. I think the young generation must, whenever we will get for recruitment, then transparency recruitment is must. Number four, expanding job sectors. Okay, expanding job sectors. The job sectors for the young generation will be expanded. Those are also old personages in our country. They are also skilled. We know that very well. But though you have to find out the lazy people in government, non-government, and private sector jobs. Okay, those are also mobiling for relative and cousin and another. Many of the country, many of the people we can get introduced to them in job sector. We can get them out from the job sector. You understand? Why? Because they are wasting or passing their time in leisure. Because this company is limited company is to my relative, to my cousin, to my father, to my mom, to my brother, to my younger. So I am also spending my time here luxury in leisurely. We have to we have to draw them out to the gate. If we do this, then we can expand job facility for the young generation. And the career guidance, we have to make a career guidance. Suppose like my channel, I can also establish the students for education, for better education, to ensure the work or faithful or to lead the life systematically around the globe for making them challenge around the world. Now, here the career guidance is most important and significant part to the young generation. In career guidance is must. You can get many of the advice to the career guideline. You can see many apps are available in computer or mobile phone, a smartphone. You can show the guidance, the career guidance. How can you reach the goal of success? How can you diplomate in the world in Bangladesh like this? You have to follow the career guidance. Okay, my dear viewers, no more today concert with you. Wish you good luck, and I think today's podcast is very amazing and most effective for the learners. Those are also feel frustration to the young generation. To the, my opinion and my thoughts also, it is impossible to say that I think many of the young generation are very much interested to get their jobs in to make sure their job systematically in the world. But I think we must not become frustration. We have to encourage. You have to be encourage yourself. Okay, overthrow any of the frustration. Just you do your activities in totally absorbed in working or thinking. You have to make a plan, think first, and draw your attention step by step. You have to establish your daily routine, and automatically you have to be a skilled person in the society. If you are not interested to do any machinery job, you can take it in education sectors, in agricultural sectors, in forestation sectors, in also climate change sectors, in environmental sectors, in education, in food. Many of the sectors in our country are available. Think you have to think, you have to set yourself to the goalpost, whereas you will establish your career. If you are a poor student or a poor learner, you have to learn some skill technically. I think so because you can go to the mechanic, you can go for the for your career to any of these. Just suppose German technical in Dhaka like this in a polytechnical, you can you will be started to see that my one of my friend close friend first one he also bought one cow, an Australian cow. He also nursed it or taking care it or year up this cow within 6 months or 1 year. After that, like this within 3 years, he had to he had to buy 37 cattle. Okay, 37 cattle, and with a large human animal husbandry program, he also and 37 cattle also sold within 32 lakhs. After selling the 37 cattle or cows, within 32